Week 10, question number 10 asks you to combine the GRPs for a campaign that achieved the following GRPs in different geographic regions. What you need to remember here is you absolutely, because the bases are different, we're dealing with different TV households, your populations are not the same, you cannot simply take your GRPs and add them together. Absolutely not. What you need to do is calculate the total impressions that each market has achieved and then take the total impressions divided by the total population to get total GRPs purchased. Your bases are different, so you cannot add your GRPs together. So if we know that we have achieved 130 GRPs in a market with 10 million different TV households, what must your impressions have been? And in this particular case, we take 1.3 times 10 million to get 13 million. Does that mean that each and every one of those TV households must have seen our ad at least once? No, not necessarily. A smaller portion than the total probably saw the ad multiple times. So it doesn't necessarily mean that everybody at least has seen the ad once if you've got impressions of 13 million. Okay, so again, we're just multiplying here. So our TV households in Austin are 7 million, and we've achieved a GRP of 110, or 1.1. So it's 110% or 1.1. So we're going to multiply 7 million by 1.1 to get total impressions yielded of 7,700,000. And here the same thing. GRPs of 90, we're going to multiply that by 0.9, 3 million by 0.9 for impressions of 2.7 million. Now, tally up your total impressions, and you should get 23,400,000. Tally up your total households, so the total population is 20 million. Now we're ready to calculate total GRPs, because again, we know it's impressions divided by our population. So impressions of 23,400,000 over a total available population of 20 million gives you GRPs of 117 in total. When your bases are different, you must remember not to add up your GRPs. You've got to tally your TV households and your total impressions.